Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you all who don't know me, my name is Sharika. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hold on. So as you can see, I'm in a very different setting. I am in the bathroom at the ADAG where I work, and I'm getting ready to do my makeup. So I'm just doing my eyebrows off camera, and then I'm gonna come back on camera because I'm kind of in a time crunch. I have literally like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, so I can't really like take my time and lollygag around, blah blah. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. It's gonna be a speed through, wear test, and you know, we're gonna time it and all that good stuff. Okay, I just wanted to get a little intro in before we do just the straight. We're just gonna go straight through. It's not gonna be like a tutorial where I'm telling you each product and stuff like that. It's just straight through. The products will be listed down below. I'm doing a wear test today on the Huda Beauty pound cake. I wore this for my birthday. I'll insert like a video or a clip or something. I wore this for my birthday, and I want to see how well it works in heat in military uniform. So that's what we're going to be testing out today. I'm doing my regular routine, my regular products, and let's get this video started. So this is the final look. I'm about to go put on my top and go outside because it's almost 8 and everybody is almost here. So I got finished at 7, hold on, dang, 7:54. 7:54. The day normally ends at like 1500, 3 o'clock p.m. So I'm gonna be checking in with y'all all day today about my makeup and see if the setting powder actually is any good in uniform. So y'all, we are only 2 hours in, but my face mask has already like ruined my makeup or whatever. But I just want y'all to see what it looked like, and kind of like the sunlight kind of this kind of out here, but it's kind of like not shadow, it's cloudy in Savannah right now because it's getting ready to rain. But this is what my makeup looks like outside. So I finished at 8 o'clock. It is now 10:22, and I'll check back in with y'all a little bit later. I have a lot of stuff to do today. I'm trying to clear, so we'll see how this goes. So y'all, it is now 12:57. Oh my bad, 1:17. My clock is a little bit behind on my car. My face is oily, which is normal, but it looks like a good oily. And look at my highlight though. For the most part, I like everything. My mask is like down here, so of course it looks a little crazy down there. And you know what I'm trying to learn? I'm trying to learn how to contour my nose. It's getting big about a second and I just do not like it. But for the most part, everything else I like. Just doing a little check-in. It's been 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 5 hours so far. So I'll hit y'all back in a few more hours. So I just got home and it is now, hold on. Ugh. Let me turn the brightness down on my phone. Hold on. And then maybe that'll help. It is now 4:37. As you can see, this is where we at with it. Which I feel like, hold on. I feel like this is the normal amount of oil that I normally produce. Like, it's actually not that bad, and I didn't blot nothing today. So it's been about 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 hours and 30 minutes. So I just got home and I have a lot of stuff to do to prepare for tomorrow and the rest of the week. So that's it. This is what I'm gonna leave y'all with is I like this. Yeah, I like this powder. So I'm definitely gonna keep this powder. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video and this wear test of my day and me just putting on my makeup. There's nothing really to talk about. Do I approve of Huda Beauty in uniform for soldiers doing an 8-hour, 9-hour day? Yes. Anything more than that, I'm not sure, because I normally don't spend 12 hours a day in uniform. We normally spend like 8, 9 hours in uniform. So yeah, so that's my review of this. I do highly recommend the Huda Beauty setting powder. I really like this setting powder. I knew I would like it from the beginning. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in the Huda Beauty setting powder, I have it listed down below. And next week is my last week in active duty world. So me and LJ, we'll see you guys later. Peace.